Hey fam, Chichi here, welcome back. Now y'all know we couldn't talk about the least used bags without talking about my most used bags of 2022. I think I have six bags to show you guys. I couldn't narrow it down to 5. These have been getting a lot of attention from your girl, and I was happy to tote it around these streets. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chichi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Let's start off with an easy one. My brown wax denim ESR tote. Listen, this is my favorite of all of my ESR totes. I love the feeling of it. I just like the look of it. It's very, very easy to style and it holds all of my stuff. It's the one that I gravitate towards the most. It's the one I kind of don't have to think about because, you know, when you're going out and you're going to brunches and stuff like that, sometimes, you know, water might fall because we ain't dropping no liquor. But, you know, sometimes things get, you know, shifted around on the table. And I never have to worry about this bag because it is that wax denim. So I don't have to worry about the scratches. And if something happens to spill on this bag, I feel comfortable enough where it's like, I don't mind. Keep the party going. It's just one of those easy reach bags for me, especially when I'm wearing neutral colors. It's a beautiful brown and it has like different shades because it's like a marbled wax and it just goes with everything. Sometimes I'll wear the strap that came with it. Sometimes I'll put a Louis Vuitton strap on it, to be honest. But either way, this bag continues to surprise me by how much I actually use this one. It's just a really great mini size bag for my lifestyle, okay? But yeah, this one could do no wrong. It's my absolute favorite and I used the heck out of her this summer. Speaking of Louis Vuitton, my Pochette Metis, like, it's just that girl for me. I always have to pull her out and every time I do, I'm never disappointed. And now that I have been using bags that are a little smaller, when I go back to this, I'm like, what do I put in this? Like, have I become that girl? Like, that downsized girl who only carries like 4 things? But this bag is just, it's one of the bags that kind of like ease my way into tiny bag energy. Well, my kind of tiny bag energy. This whole top handle situation. I love like the mini briefcase of it all. I'm a sucker for this option right here. If a bag has a top handle and a long shoulder strap, oh honey, it's a done deal. Game changer, game over. Thank you and good night. Everything about this bag, I still love it. It's still hella functional. Not a lot of people are wearing it nowadays because they've moved on to like mini Jodies and that ginormous YSL bag. But this one, to me, when I pull it out, I'm just like, I'm here for business, okay? Here for business. I love that you can dress it up. Well, I wouldn't say dress it up. I feel like this is more of a business bag, like a business bag, or you can dress it down. Either way, she's bomb. She's fly. And oh my God, she's just a stunner. Like, this was just that girl, okay? She had a chokehold on a lot of us a long time. And I think she just eased up the grip just now. They still continue to make her. She has different leathers. Of course, my glazing is melting off. Have I taken it into Louis Vuitton? No, because I'm not trying to get no store credit or an exchange because I like the stiffer leather with this one. And yeah, this is just my baby. She always gonna be in the top list for me. This one might be a little bit of a shocker, but my Brandon Blackwood pony hair Kendrick trunk. I didn't expect specifically this one to get as much love as I did. And this isn't a bag that, you know, you're supposed to wear every day because of the pony hair. But I find myself, once I get into it, I'm in it. We're in it all week, baby. Sometimes 2 weeks. And that's what I do enjoy about a bag. If you can get me a bag that I'm going to be in for at least 2 weeks, oh, you're an all-star, baby. Like, you're an all-star. Because when I do move into my bags, I like to switch up my bags every week. So every week I'll carry the same bag. But if I'm going into week 2 and I'm like, yeah, I still want to rock with you, that's a little something. It took me a minute to really like get into the trunks. I ain't even gonna lie. But this leopard, this is the one. And the pony hair, like, I still take very good care of it and I'm mindful of it, but it's just, oh, look at that. A Jersey girl's dream right there. I really think this is a phenomenal bag. I love the updated ones even more. And yeah, I'm just happy I got an OG. I've been here. I ain't new to this. I'm true to this. As y'all can clearly see with my Brandon Blackwood collection. This trunk has done me all the way right this year. I don't know why I thought I wouldn't use this bag as much as I do, but baby, this freaking Prada bag, love. I don't know what I was doing prior to this, but I was bugging. This bag has been absolutely phenomenal. Going to travel, going to ShopRite, Walmart, Target, just throw my little bits and fuse in here, throw this thing crossbody, and I'm out the door. I never thought that I would love this bag as much as I do. Never in a million years. I did opt for the Saffiano leather. I got this for Christmas last year. Was it Christmas? Yeah, Christmas. Or was it my birthday? Pick one, who cares? But yo, this bag has been stellar performance from me. And although she's a little bit short, I don't think I have a review video out yet, but it's coming because I have a lot of positive things to say about this bag. Every time I'm like going to do my weekly grocery run, this is one of the bags that I reach for the most, and it's just easy. And then the versatility of the bag. Yo, I took this to North Carolina for my annual girls trip, and this worked out great because I could wear it crossbody, and then at night I could take this off and just wear it shoulder like this when we got drinks in the downtown area. It's amazing. Like, I keep snacks in my little coin compartment. Like, I keep little lifesavers or whatever. Sometimes I've put coins in here. I've put a credit card in here, folded up a couple of dollars whenever we took a Uber, so I didn't even have to like undo my purse. I just, here you go. And I just like recently wore this for like 3 weeks, and I had to be like, self, you know what you're doing. Get out of the bag. Even my best friend, she was like, girl, I love that bag. I'm like, bitch, me too. It is pricey for what it is, but I've already gotten my cost per wear out of this because I use it that often. It's just like, yeah, I'd buy it again. Saffiano leather, absolutely, I'd do it again because it's a carefree bag, no question about it. I can't mention that Prada bag without mentioning this bag. My Brandon Blackwood Syl bag, specifically this orange. I felt like one of the cute it girls. I felt like a castmate on Clueless. I just love this bag. It's so simple and just easy. Very, very easy bag to just and keep it pushing. I know Prada is like the nylon kings or queens, but yeah, I get the appeal of nylon, because I just was like, really? Nylon? Like everybody's, why wouldn't you want leather? But this bag, it holds a good amount of items and it's just easy. Like that's the only word I can really think of to describe this bag. It's just easy. It's simple, throw your stuff in, keep it pushing, and you still look cute. And it's not such a small bag where you have to leave out some of your essentials. Like granted, you're not bringing around, you know, an agenda or whatever, but you know, keys, phone, wallet, you know, some mints, some protection, like, you know, gotta stay safe out here in these streets. So yeah, I just really enjoy this bag. It's been such a delight. I gave one of these away. I hope you're enjoying your bag. And sometimes you just need simplicity within your bag collection. And I always say this is a pretty good bag to start with. I really still hope we see some updates with this tassel. But yeah, other than that, phenomenal bag. Just highly functional. And to close this video out, y'all should already know, child, is Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 chokehold. The chokehold that this beauty has on me is just, I cannot. I can't. This is part of the Stardust collection that nobody really liked, including myself. But this one, just, pictures don't do it justice at all. It's a beautiful bag. It has opened my eyes up to a freaking 20? A 20? Oh my God. Like just everything I need and a little bit more. I did the whole what fits in this bag. Child, go peep that video because y'all won't believe what I actually put in there. But yo, this bag has just been such a pleasure to rock. And even though it is light, I have no issues of bringing this into the second and third week of wear. I think 1 week I just went back and forth between the Prada and the Speedy because I just loved both of them. I literally had them sitting side by side, and if I needed something really quick, I just take out my wallet and like keys in the phone, put it in the Prada, do my little 1-2, then jump back into this gorgeous bag. I don't think I can impulse purchase again. Well, yes I can. But if I was going to do an impulse purchase, I'm so happy it was this one because I actually love it. I can truly sit here and say I love this bag and I would do it again in a heartbeat. It has brought me so much joy. And even right now, going into winter time now, and I'm still able to rock this because of the colors and because everyone hated this freaking collection. Guess what? I don't see nobody with this exclusivity. I love it. After I did my review video, I was like, you know, I'm right back in the swing of it. But yeah, I'm so happy that I added this bag to my collection. And yeah, all of these bags just have really done your girl some good in these streets. And we'll see next year which ones still get the love that I'm giving. But in the meantime, check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.